An Olongapo court clears teacher Ronel Mas of inciting to sedition. Mas was arrested without a warrant because of his tweet offering a reward to kill President Rodrigo Duterte. Olongapo City Judge Richard Paradeza grants Mas's motion to quash and dismisses the charge in an order Wednesday, June 24. Paradeza refutes the findings of the Justice Department that Mas's confession cured an invalid warrantless arrest. The DOJ prosecutor earlier ruled the National Bureau of Investigation's warrantless arrest of Mas was illegal, but that Mas's later confession to the media owning up to the tweet has cured the problem. Paradeza further rules that the confession was in fact inadmissible evidence. Still, Paradeza says the tweet is despicable and provocative, but says Mas should be afforded his constitutional rights.